Everyone move out. Let's clear the set for the DOP and director. 5-minute break.
No! Stop the music!
Keep going. Keep going. Oh my god. Keep going. Keep.
Your arm. No, I check. I always check.
Always been such a good boy. You just need your mum with you.
You got the wrong one.
Beg your pardon?
She didn't pay for your coffee today.
But who did?
Why don't you take a wild guess?
Wait!
And what if I told you I was in love with you?
Wouldn't sound too bad.
Well, that would be your reply.
That would be my reaction.
What would be your reply?
I don't know. We'll see then.
What if I told you that nobody else could make me feel the way that you do?
I'm afraid I can't reply.
Well, you could surely react.